Hello students, good morning to all. I hope that you all are fine at your home. Today we will start Unit 2 and in that Unit 2 we will learn poem that is Bird Talk. Before I start recitation, here one question it is that do you think birds find people funny? क्या आप सोचते हैं कि बर्ड्स को लगता है कि we all are human beings are funny? How they are discussing about us, that two birds are there, Robin and Jay. So how they are thinking about us, the discussion it is given in the poem. Let's listen to what the Robin and the Jay have to say. Generally we don't find that birds are talking like people, but yes, they are making different kinds of sounds, but here imagination it is given that how they are talking with each other. Poem Bird Talk. First I will do recitation and you have to do recitation along with me. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and think. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? This poem it is written by Alan Fisher. Now let's see the explanation part of the poem. Here in the first stanza it is given that these two birds, Robin and Jay, they are sitting in the garden and one day they are talking with each other. What they are talking? They are talking about the people. They are discussing that think about the people. They are growing differently. We know that we are not like birds and there is a difference between birds and human beings. So birds are growing differently and people are also growing differently. In that they are adding, they don't have feathers at all, you know. That birds they are discussing that they don't have feathers. We know that birds have feathers and because of that feathers they can fly. They can go from one place to another place. But we don't have feathers, so we cannot fly like the birds. So for them it is just a different thing that birds can fly but we cannot fly. In the third stanza it is given that they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. They are discussing that they don't eat beetles. That means we people, we human beings, we are not eating beetles. Beetles that means insect. They don't grow wings. We don't have wings. Birds have wings. With the help of wings, they can fly from one place to another place. But we don't have wings. Instead of wings, we have legs and hands. So with the help of legs, we can walk, we can run, we can jump, we can go from one place to another place, and with the help of hands we can do many things like we can ride, we can drive scooter or car, right? So again they are adding in that they don't like sitting on wires and things. We don't sit like the birds. Birds can sit on the branches, they can sit on the wires or any other things, but we cannot sit like this. In the last stanza, they are discussing, they are telling to each other that thing, aren't people funny to be that way? So for them, we are funny because we don't have feathers, we don't have wings, we don't eat beetles, and we are unable to sit on the wires or branches like the birds. So, according to them, we are funny. It is their perception. That means it is their thinking. Okay. New words we have already learned, but again I will repeat. Beetles, beetles. Beetles, that means insect. Sitting, sitting, sitting. Sitting, that means pet. Now, next one it is wires. 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 Wires means tar. Then funny. 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 Funny, that means joyful. I hope that all of you have understood. This poem you have to recite at your home, and then one time you have to copy down in your notebook. Thank you.